Next point. The point is angle between the lines represented by this homogeneous second degree equation. X square plus 2h xy plus by square is equal to 0. This second degree homogeneous equation represents two straight lines passing through origin. Now our question is to find out the angle between lines represented by this homogeneous equation. Now here depending on this there is one theorem, that is important theorem. The acute angle theta between the lines represented by x square plus 2h xy plus by square is equal to 0 is given by tan theta is equal to 2 times square root h square minus ab upon a plus b. म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये असणाऱ्या ज्या दोन लाईन्स आहेत त्या दोन लाईन मध्ये असणारा ॲक्यूट अँगल आहे तो अँगल आपल्याला या फॉर्म्युलानुसार कॅल्क्युलेट करता येईल. tan theta is equal to this. Now proof of this theorem. Proof. Let m1 and m2 be the two lines, be the slopes of the lines represented by x square plus 2h xy plus by square is equal to 0. याच्यामध्ये असणाऱ्या दोन लाईनचे स्लोप m1 आणि m2 असे सपोज करूया. Therefore m1 plus m2 is equal to sum of the slopes minus 2h by b, product of the slopes m1 m2 is equal to a by b. We know this. Now we know that m1 minus m2 bracket square is equal to m1 plus m2 bracket square, it is minus 4 times m1 m2. This is the relation just. m1 minus m2 bracket square is equal to m1 plus m2 square minus 4 times m1 m2. m1 plus m2 here minus 2h by b bracket square minus 4 times m1 m2 a by b, that is 4h square by b square minus 4a by b. Common denominator as a b square, therefore 4h square minus 4ab upon b square. 4 out, 4 h square minus ab upon b square. And this is what m1 minus m2 bracket square. Now taking square root, m1 minus m2 is equal to plus or minus 2 times square root h square minus ab upon b. This is m1 minus m2. I write this as equation number 1. Now suppose theta is the angle between lines represented by these two. Let theta be the acute angle between the lines. Of course this is homogeneous second degree equation, therefore lines passes through origin, two lines. We have to find angle between these two. Y is equal to m1x, y is equal to m2x, and this is just a theta angle. This is the acute angle theta. We know that. Therefore tan theta is equal to modulus m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. This is just formula. Angle between two lines. Now m1 minus m2, that is value is here, is equal to modulus plus minus 2 times square root h square minus ab upon b whole divided by 1 plus m1 m2. m1 m2 a by b, 1 plus a by b. 1 plus a by b. Now simplifying this, a cross is equal to modulus plus minus 2 times square root h square minus ab upon b whole divided by cross, that is a plus b by b. Now b cancel, that is modulus, therefore plus minus I write only plus 2 times square root h square minus ab upon a plus b. This is what just tan theta, that is angle between lines represented by this homogeneous second degree equation is this. Tan theta is equal to 2 times square root h square minus ab upon a plus b. This is just theorem. तर थेरमचं प्रूफ कसं लिहायचं आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये असणाऱ्या दोन लाईनचं स्लोप m1 m2 सपोज करायचा. सम ऑफ द स्लोप्स फॉर्म्युला नोन आहे. प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द स्लोप्स m1 m2. Consider this part m1 minus m2 square, m1 plus m2 square minus 4 times m1 m2. Simplify this, we get m1 minus m2. Now suppose just theta be the acute angle between the lines. These two are the lines. Y is equal to m1x, y is equal to m2x. Of course line passes through origin. Tan theta is equal to, this is just formula for finding angle between any two lines. Now just substitute m1 minus m2 and m1 m2. Simplify, we get answer. This is just theorem. Now two more notes below this. Now first one, lines represented by this, again this is homogeneous second degree equation. Ax square plus 2h xy plus by square is equal to 0 are coincidence. याच्यामध्ये असणाऱ्या दोन लाइन्स एकमेकांना कोइन्सिडेंट असतील तर, that is special case parallel, then lines are coincident, slopes are equal. Therefore slope of first line is equal to slope of second line. m1 is equal to m2, that is m1 minus m2 is equal to 0. आणि m1 minus m2 आपण आताच कॅल्क्युलेट केलाय, प्लस मायनस 2 टाइम्स स्क्वेअर रूट h square minus ab upon b is equal to 0. b transfer and then squaring we get h square minus ab is equal to 0, h square is equal to ab. That is, this is just condition for coincident. Two lines are coincident, two lines are parallel, that is h square is equal to ab. H square is equal to ab, this is the condition. The second case is if lines are perpendicular, that is lines represented by this equation are perpendicular to each other, then we know that lines are perpendicular, product of the slope is equal to minus 1, that is m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. But we know m1 m2 is equal to a by b, product of the slopes a by b. A by b is equal to minus 1, therefore b transfer a is equal to minus b, a plus b is equal to 0. That is, in this homogeneous second degree equation, if coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is equal to 0, then lines represented by this equation are perpendicular to each other. That is the condition. A plus b is equal to 0, lines are perpendicular. H square minus ab is equal to 0 or h square is equal to ab, lines are coincident parallel. These are the two notes depending on this theorem. The theorem is tan theta, that is angle between. Here two cases, parallel, coincident, and one more is perpendicular. Now come to the exercise 4.2. In that first question is show that lines represented by this equation are perpendicular to each other. Just by observation, we know the condition a plus b is equal to 0, then lines are perpendicular. Here 3 and minus 3, therefore directly just by observation lines represented by these equations are perpendicular to each other. Just we write the solution. Given equation is, the given equation of the line is three x square minus 4xy minus 3y square is equal to 0. Comparing with standard, comparing with x square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 3, 2h is equal to minus 4, therefore h is equal to minus 2, just to transfer, and b is equal to minus 3. Now consider a plus b. We know that a plus b is equal to 0, then lines are perpendicular. A plus b, consider a plus b is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 3, it is again 0. Therefore lines represented by this 3x square minus 4xy minus 3y square is equal to 0 are perpendicular to each other. Given equation घ्यायचा, comparison करणार a h b. Consider a plus b is equal to, if it is 0 then lines are perpendicular, if it is not 0 then lines are not perpendicular. A plus b is equal to 0 मिळते आपल्याला. Therefore lines represented by this equation are perpendicular to each other. Question काय, show that मध्ये question आहे, perpendicular विचारलाय, perpendicular. Therefore just check the condition, a plus b is equal to 0 or not. Yes. Now come to the question number 2. Again, show that the lines represented by this are coincident. We know the condition for coincident. H square minus ab is equal to 0. Lines are coincident. A plus b is equal to 0. Lines are perpendicular. Again, the given equation of the line is. The given equation of the lines is x square plus 6xy plus 9y square is equal to 0. Comparing with x square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. We get a is equal to 1, 2h is equal to 6, b is equal to 9. That is h is equal to just 3. Consider h square minus ab. H square 3 square minus a as a 1, b as a 9. 9 minus 9, it is 0. Therefore h square minus ab is equal to 0. Conclusion, the lines represented by x square plus 6xy plus 9y square is equal to 0 are coincident. But question का विचारला, lines are coincident. Just we have to show that the condition is satisfied. That is h square minus ab is equal to 0. Given equation comparison, find out a h b. Now consider h square minus ab. If it is 0, then lines represented by this are coincident. Question number 3. Find the value of k. याच्यामध्ये k ठेवला. If the lines represented by these equations are perpendicular to each other, we know that two lines are perpendicular to each other if a plus b is equal to 0. The given equation of the line is kx square plus 4xy minus 4y square is equal to 0. Comparing with x square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. We get a is equal to k, 2h is equal to 4, that is h is equal to 2, and b is equal to minus 4. We know that lines represented by x square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 are perpendicular if a plus b is equal to 0, that is k minus 4 is equal to 0, k is equal to 4, k is equal to 4. लाइन्स परपेंडिक्युलर दिलेले आहेत, त्यामुळे आपण a plus b is equal to 0 घेऊ शकतो. a plus b ची व्हॅल्यू टाका, a k minus 4 is equal to 0, k is equal to 4. Question number 4. Find the measure of acute angle between the lines represented by. याच्यामध्ये असणाऱ्या दोन लाइन्स मधला अँगल आपल्याला कॅल्क्युलेट करायचा आहे. We know that theorem. The given equation of the line is 3x square minus 4 times root 3xy plus 3y square is equal to 0. Comparing with x square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. We get a is equal to 3, 2h is equal to minus 4 root 3 and b is equal to 3. H is equal to minus 2 times root 3. Let theta be the acute angle between the lines. Acute angle between the lines therefore tan theta is equal to modulus 2 times square root h square minus ab upon a plus b. This is just formula. Is equal to 2 times square root h square, h is equal to this, minus 2 root 3 square minus ab, a as a 3, b as a 3, divided by a plus b, 3 plus 3, that is modulus 2 times square root 3 चा square 3 जाईल, 2 square 4, 4 3 चा 12 minus 9 upon 6, that is equal to tan theta is equal to modulus 2 times 12 minus 9, it is root 3 upon 6, that is 2 3s are 6, 3 by root 3, root 3 by 3, that is 1 by root 3. It is 1 by root 3 tan theta, and therefore theta is equal to tan inverse 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 value, that is for 30 degree or pi by 6. This is the angle between the lines.